Hello and welcome back to my channel, Ask Nolan. Today we're going to be taking a look at two questions dealing with unit rate. These are sixth grade math questions dealing with unit rate. Okay, and just a reminder: whenever we're dealing with unit rate, if we're asked to determine or find the unit rate, we'll just have to divide two numbers. Okay, or write a math statement that shows dividing two numbers. So let's go ahead and take a look. Jabari earned $14,000 in 3.5 months. Select the correct responses to complete the statement. Jabari's earnings rate is, all right, the earning rate would be the dollars per month. All right, so we're gonna, his unit rate for this one, even though they didn't tell it to us, we have to determine it. So it could either be cost per month. That's one way to write it. Or we could do month per cost. If you flip it, the words just have to be in the correct order. Well, if we do cost per month, it would be 14,000 on the top and then 3.5 on the bottom. Or if we flipped it the other way, it would be 3.5 months on the top per $14,000. All right. So, with that being said, if we look at A and B, between answer choice A and B, the first one, and I'll put a 1 next to, this is 1 and this is 2. So in the first box, let's just put first. And then we'll put second. So in that first box, the 14,000 should have dollars next to it, and the 3.5 should have months. So just based on that, we know that A is the correct answer there. These units are wrong, right? And now to figure out the actual unit rate, since we know we're not using this, we're using this one, that's what we'll divide in the calculator. So let's pull the calculator up. And we're going to type in 14,000. That's 14 followed by 3 zeros. And then divided by 3.5. And we'll hit equals. And that gives us $4,000. So that's going to be 4,000 per month. Okay. Which is A. And there we go. All right. Let's take a look at our second question. Number 8 says Jacob ran 9 miles in 1.25 hours. What is his running speed in miles per hour? So, running speed, which is just another way to say his unit rate. And here it is, miles per hour. So they want us to put the miles on top, hour on the bottom. So, he ran 9 miles, and it took him 1.25 hours. Now, we just need to divide those. Remember, anytime we do unit rate, you just divide into numbers. So let's go back to our calculator. And we're typing in 9 divided by 1.25. And we're going to hit equals. And that's 7.2. So that 7.2 would be 7.2 miles in 1 hour, or per hour. So our overall answer, we're just going to be writing that in, okay? So we're going to put in 7.2. Remember, it has to be all the way to the left or all the way to the right. I'm putting mine all the way to the left. So 7.2, and then we just bubble it in, 7.2. And that's it. All right, you all have a great day.